67 ground contact, that's ground on 1217 now.
Over ground on 1217, SkyWest 4167.
That was 4167 tower from Delta 5 or Delta 7, clear takeoff runway 26 left.
Clear takeoff runway 26 left, either Delta 5 or Delta 7, SkyWest 4167. Good afternoon, SkyWest 4167, Georgia 6, driving through 5000 for 7000. SkyWest 4167, thank you, departure identifying climb 900,000. Climb 900,000, identifying SkyWest 4167. Thank you. SkyWest 4167, turn left heading 130. Left heading 130, SkyWest 4167.
For your safety, please use you. Please adjust security fasten in case you experience unexpected repair. And please use caution when opening overhead bins as added by action during takeoff. And keep the aisle clear of infrastructure passes like bags or bag straps. As a regulation, require all passengers to comply with clear instructions regarding the use of self-storage during flight. Information on proof electronic devices can be found on the safety information card in your seat pocket. The lavatories are frequently refreshed from extra products, but if you notice any untidy lavatory, please let us know. Pre-mention Wi-Fi for purchase will be available. So connect to the Wi-Fi.com network to get started. The use of Wi-Fi to make voice or video calls is not allowed. In an effort to keep the cabin clean for this flight, individual flights we ask that you avoid closing items you wish to select in the seat back pocket in front of you. The rapid flight will be coming to the cabin regularly to collect trash. We appreciate your cooperation. Due to the short time we're together, we won't have the opportunity to offer service. However, if you have requests, please let us know. Please note that for the relation related consuming any alcohol you may have brought on board with you. If there's anything we can do to make the flight experience more comfortable, please don't hesitate to ask. Let's sit back, relax, and enjoy the flight.